Everyone, today we are going to learn a lesson from grammar textbook. So this is the first lesson. The title of the lesson is alphabetical order. You already studied about alphabets, isn't it? So Adnan, you tell me how many alphabets are there in our English language? Yes, very good. There are 26 alphabets in our English language. How many alphabets, children? 26. I know that you all are familiar with all these letters that are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and so on up to Z. So in other words, we can say that A, B, C, D order is known as alphabetical order. A to Z order is known as alphabetical order. So have you ever seen a dictionary, children? Yes. So what is the specialty of a dictionary? So in a dictionary, all the words are arranged in accordance with this alphabetical order. So if we find out the meaning of a definite word, what we have to look, this A to Z order we have to look and we have to find out the meaning very easily. So this, and in a telephone dictionary also all the contacts saved according to their alphabetical order. So it is very essential to know about alphabetical order. So first of all we have to look some examples. Okay, children. See some examples, some words I written like this. The first word it is car, second word violin, third one drum and last one book. So, all these words we have to sort out in accordance with their alphabetical order. So, alphabetical order we already studied that what A to Z order is known as alphabetical order. So, by arranging these words into alphabetical order, what we have to remember? We have to remember the alphabets only. Okay. So, is there any word which begins with A, children? No, there are no words which begins with A. If there are no words begins with A, what we have to look? Is there any word which begins with B? Is there any word which begins with B, children? Yes. Book is there. So, book comes as the first word here. Book. Okay. Second word, after B, what letter comes next? Yes, C. Is there any word which begins with C? Yes, car is there. So, car as the second word. And what about after A, B, C? Is there any word which begins with D, children? Yes, drum is there. So, drum comes as the third word. And what about the last one, children? Violin. We can write this word as last word. Okay. So, if we have to arrange these words in accordance with alphabetical order, we have to remember only one thing. A to Z order is known as alphabetical order. So, in that alphabetical order itself, we can sort out these groups of words. Okay. So, second one, we can go through the second example. That is, the words are orange, bat, egg and fan. So, arranging these words into alphabetical order, what we have to look, is there any word which begins with A? There are no words which begins with A. And what about B? Yes, B is there. So, this word comes as the first one. Is there any word which begins with C? No. And what about D, children? No. After D, which letter comes next? E. So, there is a word which begins with E, that is egg. So, we can write as the second word. And what about the third word, children? Is there any word which begins with F? Yes. Fan is there. So, this comes as the third letter. And what about the last one? Yes. This orange comes as the last word. So, we can write these words in alphabetical order. First one it is bat. Second one, egg. Third one, fan. And last one it is orange. So, words into alphabetical. Okay. Next, one more example we can go through. The words are parrot, hen, tiger and lion. Tiger and lion. So by arranging these groups of words, as I already mentioned in the above two examples, we can easily sort out these groups of words into alphabetical order. Is there any word which begins with A? No. B? No. C? No. So we can go through A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, which letter comes next? H. Is there any word which begins with H, children? Yes. Hen begins with H. So we can write this as the first word. Okay. And after H, I, J, K, L, M. Is there any word which begins with L, children? Yes, lion is there. So, lion comes after hen. So, this is the second word. So, we can go through the third word. Okay. After L, M, N, O, P, Q. Yes, with the P there is a word. So, this comes as the third word and only one word that is left in this group. So, we can write this as the fourth word. Understood? So, we can write these words in alphabetical order. First one it is hen as it begins with H. Second one it is lion. Third one it is parrot. And last one, tiger. Okay, I hope all of you understood how we can sort out the words in alphabetical order. So once again, I will repeat. Alphabetical order is A, B, C, D. Order is known as alphabetical order. A to Z order is known as alphabetical order. For arranging words into alphabetical order, you have to sort the words in accordance with their alphabetical order. So that's all for today. Remaining parts we can discuss in our next class. Okay. Thank you, children.